Hello everyone. This is JP Heater. Today we will explain you the advantages of JP Combi diesel heater. From its appearance, you can see it is very exquisite. When comes to its structure and size, it is compact. Its material is exquisite too. And it has the independent design patent. We sell this product in complete set. When you buy one set, you will receive 2 cartons. The first carton is the heater and the controller. In the second carton, it includes all the accessories. With the heater and its accessories, you can install it into any length of RVs, campers and motorhomes. If you have special need of other accessories, we can supply it too.